Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to add message button to Instagram posts. It's super easy, so let's get into it. The first thing that we need to do is open the Instagram app on your phone. And from here, we want to post something, so let's just post on random picture here and then click next if you're good with it. And in this section, you should be able to see add message button, but sometimes it won't appear like here in mine. There's no add message button. So what are we gonna do here is go back to your Instagram newsfeed. Click on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to the three horizontal line located at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. And from here, you need to scroll all the way down and locate help. Tap on it. And you might want to report a problem. So you just need to click on it and report problem without shaking. Alright, it's up to you if you want to include and continue or don't include and continue. So here, let's just choose don't include and continue. And from here, you just need to briefly explain what happened or what's not working. So let's just say hi. The add message button in my Instagram post is not working. Please help. Thanks. And you just need to send it and give them days. They should be able to get back to you within a few days. And that's it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.